Hello English learners, welcome back to our channel, where we make a step forward mastering English with every lesson. Effort is the energy and dedication invested in actively practicing listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. What we call this word. Do you know the grammatical function of this word? What is this word? Is this sentence correct or not? If you want to know the correct answers and learn about the adjectives, watch this video till the end. In this lesson, we see kinds of adjectives, the order of adjectives, and adjectives ending. What is adjective? Adjectives describes nouns and pronouns. They give you more information about people, places, and things. How many kinds of adjectives are there? Some adjectives tell about the quantity of people or things. Here are the adjectives of quantity: all, few, many, much, several, some, enough, numerous, noun, whole, any, ample, sufficient, plenty, 3, 10. Examples: all the students passed the exam. Many birds are flying south for the winter. Several cars were parked outside. We have enough chairs for everyone. Some cookies are left in the jar. There are no apples in the basket. Do you have any questions? There was ample food for the guests. We have sufficient resources to complete the task. I saw 3 cookies on the table. Some adjectives tell what people or things are like by describing their quality. A handsome guy, a hot coffee, a beautiful view, a cold juice, a familiar face, a deep well, a rich family, a strange outfit. Some adjectives care about the size of people or things. Examples: a big tree, a large army, a tall lamplight, a short girl, a thin baby, a big ship, a high mountain, a tiny mouse, a huge building, long pajamas. Some adjectives care about the age of people or things. Young, old, new, ancient, modern, medieval, recent, elderly, teenage, mature, senior, junior, middle-aged. Example: the young boy is playing in the park. He bought a new car last week. The museum had many ancient artifacts. There have been many recent changes in the company. The teenage girl loves to read fantasy novels. He is a mature student returning to college. The junior members of the team are very enthusiastic. Some adjectives tell about the color of things. Examples: a blue t-shirt, a gray suit, a red flag, a brown pencil, an orange pillow, a white house, black shoes, a yellow flower. Some adjectives tell what things are made of. They refer to substance. Examples: a paper bag, a stone statue, a plastic box, a concrete road, a glass vase, a metal gate, a cotton scarf, a wooden chair, a silk dress, a clay plate. Some adjectives are made from proper nouns of place. These adjectives are called adjectives of origin. Examples: a Japanese man, a Spanish food, an American movie, an Indian dance, a Mexican hat, an Italian costume, a British theater, the French rhyme. How I order the different kinds of adjectives. Sometimes several adjectives are used to describe a single noun or pronoun. When you use two or more adjectives, the usual order is quantity, opinion, quality, size, age. Shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Examples: a big purple glass window. Big for size, purple for color, glass for substance. A modern black British suit. Modern for quality, black for color, British for origin. Here are more examples: a large Italian yacht, delicious Mexican taco, a long Chinese wall, an old astonishing French painting, a crunchy American chips, a short gorgeous lady, a colorful cotton sweater. Exception: adjectives of quality sometimes come before adjectives of size. For example, hideous short hair. But adjectives of size always come before adjectives of color. For example, beautiful long red hair. If you use any adjectives of substance, it comes after the colored adjective. For example, an elegant long white silk dress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you have the channel to reach more English learners. Thank you. What are the adjectives endings? The adjectives have many different endings. Number 1. FUL. Some adjectives end in FUL. These adjectives describe noun or pronoun that are full of something or have a lot of something. Example: a beautiful bouquet, a powerful engine, a painful illness, a wonderful beach, a skillful worker, a careful nurse, a useful tool, colorful painting. Number 2. OUS. Some adjectives end in OUS. Examples: a mountainous region, a humorous sitcom, a poisonous scorpion, a courageous man, a generous teacher, an adventurous climber, a famous actress, a dangerous sport. Number 3. Y. Some adjectives end in Y. Example: a sleepy baby, a noisy child, an easy task, a cloudy sky, a lazy player, dirty clothes, a messy basement, juicy orange. Number 4. LESS. Some adjectives end in LESS. These adjectives describe a person or thing that does not have something. Example: a meaningless sentence, a fearless soldier, seedless tangerine, a useless technique, a cloudless sky, homeless woman, a careless student, a sleeveless dress. Number 5. AL. Some adjectives end in AL. Examples: coastal village, personal problem, musical movie, a national flag, electrical items, a traditional dish, medical treatment, magical story. And here is the number 6. Examples: enthusiastic teenager, basic rules, a selfish girl, stylish sunglasses, visible marks, a terrible accident, valuable accessories, comfortable sofa, talkative neighbor, an imaginative tale, an elderly man, friendly roommates. Number 7. ING. Many adjectives end in ing. Examples: a smiling face, a gleaming motorcycle, an interesting topic, an exciting news, a kind nurse, a disappointing score, loving dad, shocking prices. Smiling and caring are present participles of verbs. Many present participles can also be used as adjectives. Number 8. ED. Many adjectives end in ed. Examples: a painted door, boiled eggs, satisfied guests, excited children, worried parents, wasted money, a closed window, reduced prices. Closed, reduced, and wasted are past participles of verbs. Many past participles can also be used as adjectives. And now let's take a test. Read the following sentences and underline the adjective, then write under the adjective its kind. The middle-aged man decided to start a new career. Middle-aged, age. Several cars were parked outside. Several, quantity. The senior class is preparing for graduation. Senior, age. A familiar face. Familiar, quality. A high mountain. High, size. He has read numerous books on the subject. Numerous, quantity. The museum has many ancient artifacts. Ancient, age. Read the following sentences and correct the errors if you find any. The young three enthusiastic teachers organized a successful event. The three young enthusiastic teachers organized a successful event. The stone, ancient, large castle stood on the hill. The large ancient stone castle stood on the hill. The small, old, wooden cabin is nestled in the forest. It's correct. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.